Daddy, tell you go.
Okay, go. You pull off the blanket. Keep pulling.
Do you need a little help?
Yeah.
Oh, you got
Sort of,
it.
it's sort of stuck. Whoa, what is it?
A wagon.
A wagon, yeah.
Look at this.
For two-seater for you and Ariana. You both can play in it. You can get in.
Maybe we can go for a ride today.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, you go that way. No, the other seat. Yeah, sit in the other seat.
To buckle up.
No, turn the other seat, but...
Alright,
Okay.
now go on that side so Daddy can
Yeah.
take a picture.
Go on the other seat.
Okay.
There's a buckle there, see? Yeah.
Do you know who gave this to you, Maya?
No.
This is from Nana and Grandpa.
Can you say thank you to Nana and Grandpa?
Thank you.
So thank you, Nana and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Look at the camera, though. One more time.
Thank you, Neil and Grandpa.
Good
What else
job.
do you say?
Merry Christmas.
You need help with that?
No.
Okay. Good job. There you go.
I'm going to yell.
Okay. Say bye.